Hi everyone, this is Nagaram Ramesh working as an assistant professor in Department of IT, DVRIT Narsapur. Today I will explain introduction to JSP. The JSP stands for Java Server Pages. It is a extension of servlet technology. JSP technology is used to create web applications just like servlet technology, and it is a extension of servlets and it contains more functionalities. JSP contains more functionalities than servlets, and we can add expression languages like JSTL. The JSP page consists of HTML tags, JSP tags. Okay, we can include HTML tags and also JSP tags is embedded with HTML. JSP pages are easier to maintain the servlet because of separate designing and development logics. Okay, in JSP we can separate the development and design logic separately. It provides some additional features such as expression language and custom tags also. We can add custom tags. So it stands for Java Server Pages. It is a server-side technology. JSP is used to write code and execute in servers. It is used to create web applications and it is used to create dynamic web content. In these JSP tags, we are used to insert Java code, and also we can include Java tags inside the HTML pages. It is an advanced version of servlet technology. It is web-based technology, helps to create dynamic and platform independent web pages. The Java code can be inserted in HTML or XML pages or both. JSP is a first converted into servlet by JSP container. JSP first converts into servlet by JSP container before processing the client request. The advantage of JSP, the first advantage is extension to servlets. Okay, JSP technology is an extension of servlet and we can add more features than servlets, and easy to maintain. We can easily maintain because of the logic is separated and design also separated. We can maintain separately both. Fast development, no need to recompile and redeploy in JSP. If JSP page is modified, we don't need to recompile and redeploy the project. Okay, you can directly run the JSP. The servlet code needs to be updated and recompiled if we have to change the look and feel of an application. No need to complain every time, just you have to change and execute the program. Less code than servlet. So servlet have more code, but in JSP, simple. We can write that logic in simple way. And life cycle of JSP. The JSP have three main methods: JSP init, JSP service and JSP destroy. Okay, we have some steps. First, translate JSP page, and that page is compiled, translated into servlets, and compile the JSP page and load the class loader, and next instantiation, creating object for servlet initialization. This will be invokes the JSP container, calls the JSP container. JSP init is a method to initialize the objects, and next is request processing. So this will be done in JSP service method. Last one is destroy. So this method is called when the task is completed. The total instance will be deleted from the memory. Destroy. These are the steps to execute our JSP program. And next, directory structure. So how the director look like? Here first we create the main folder in somewhere. Suppose this is the main folder, project name XYZ is a project name. In that we have to create web hyphen, this is a root directory. The directory structure of JSP. The directory structure of JSP page is same as a servlet. We contain JSP page outside the web by INF folder or any directory. So this is a main folder, project name, your project name. This is main project name. In that we have to create web-inf. In that classes and lib. So JSP files always inside the main folder, like all star JSP files we have to store here, and also you can store all HTML files and all CSS files and all JS files we have to save in the main folder name. Okay, all the static pages also. And here the web-inf contain classes, all the Java classes to be stored in the classes, and lib we have to store all jar files or jar file inside the lib. Okay, this is web.xml is a website descriptor. Okay, this is web.xml. Okay, this is the structure of JSP. So first we have to how to run the JSP. So first start the server and then put JSP files inside the folder and deploy on the server. So copy this inside the server and type this one. Okay, your port number, localhost, your port number, and this is a main folder name, and type the JSP file name. Okay, this is a process to execute JSP program. Advantages and disadvantages. So advantages, it does not require advanced knowledge of Java, no need the Java concepts. It is capable of handling exceptions, easy to use and learn. It can tags which are easily to use and understand. And JSP contains implicit objects are there which reduce the length of the code. So already we have some implicit objects like request and response and out like that. And it is suitable for both Java and non-Java programmers. Easily you can learn JSP. Disadvantages. Difficult to debug errors. First time access lead to wastage of time. Its output is HTML which lacks of features. Okay, these are the advantages of JSP. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.